Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. SEBI paves way for safer real estate investments through fractional ownership platforms. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has updated its Real Estate Investment Trusts Regulations 2014, ushering in a new class of small and medium REITs. This landmark move enables investors to access real estate through regulated fractional ownership platforms, providing a safer and more accessible investment avenue. Understanding fractional ownership. Fractional ownership, a popular concept in countries like the US, allows investors to purchase partial stakes in high-value assets. In India, this model predominantly applies to commercial real estate, enabling investors to own shares of properties at a fraction of the cost. Fractional ownership platforms gather multiple investors to purchase and manage properties collectively, opening doors for individuals to enter the real estate market with smaller investments. New SEBI rules bring clarity and protection. According to Vimal Nadar, Senior Director and Head of Research at Colliers India, the updated SEBI regulations aim to bring transparency to the fractional ownership landscape. The SM rate guidelines provide a regulatory pathway for platforms managing assets between 50 crore rupees and 500 crore rupees, enhancing governance, disclosure, and investor protection. This new framework is expected to make fractional ownership a safer option for retail investors by setting standards on transparency and operational compliance. Key factors to consider before investing. While SEBI's amendments are set to improve safety in fractional ownership, investors are advised to conduct due diligence. Below are crucial factors to consider. Minimum investment amount. Each platform sets a minimum investment requirement, so investors should confirm these limits before investing. Lock-in period. Fractional ownership investments may come with lock-in periods that vary by property and platform. Asset details. SEBI mandates that 95% of SM REITs funds go towards completed, revenue-generating properties. Investors should check asset specifics, including property type, location, and revenue profile. Tenant profile. Since rental income can provide periodic returns, assessing the tenant profile is essential to gauge income stability. Platform structure and transparency. Not all FOPs will adopt the SM rate model, and some may offer less standardized disclosure. In these cases, it's crucial for investors to investigate details like property title, marketability, risk-reward ratio, and other critical aspects. Kunal Arora, partner at Lakshmi Kumaran and Sridharan Attorneys, recommends leveraging available SM rate information such as property details, fund manager history, and asset marketability. He notes that some FOPs may operate outside of the SM rate structure, which requires investors to scrutinize the platform's investment model, investor protections, tax implications, and risk factors carefully. PropBuy.Pinvest.Exchange offers a secure option for fractional ownership. For those exploring real estate investments through fractional ownership, PropBuy.Pinvest.Exchange offers a fully compliant and transparent platform. Benefiting from SEBI's SM rate framework, PropBuy.Pinvest.Exchange provides retail investors with regulated access to commercial real estate, ensuring full disclosure and legal compliance. This platform stands out as a secure and professional option for individuals seeking to invest safely in high-value real estate. With SEBI's recent reforms, fractional ownership of real estate is now more accessible and secure for Indian investors, promising a new era of diversified investment opportunities. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.